Hey soldiers, listen. If you are tired of waiting for the perfect opportunity, if you want extra income without quitting your job, then this video might change your life. Because today I am going to share real side hustles that can make you 1000 per month, even if you are a beginner. No magic, no overnight scam, just real skills, real money. So grab your notebook and watch the full video. Before you watch the full video, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Hustle number 1. Digital freelancing, 1000 to 5000 month. You don't need a degree, you need skills and discipline. Copywriting, video editing, graphic design, social media management, Canva design, voiceover work. Millions of business need this service every day. Start from Fiverr, Upwork or even Facebook groups. Offer value, build 10 good samples, do small jobs, build reputation and watch your income grow. Remember, skills pay bills. Hustle number 2. Selling digital products, 1000 to 3000 month. Ebooks, template, preset, Notion players, online courses, create one, sell forever. Platforms like Gourmet, Etsy, Payship let you sell easily. You just need 3 things: a problem, a digital solution, marketing consistency. This is how creator makes passive income. Hustle number 3. YouTube faceless channel, 1000 to 10,000 month. No face, no fancy camera, just knowledge and editing. Make videos on topics like motivation, tech, AI tools, finance, tutorials. Script plus AI voice and stock footage. One viral video can completely change your life. And yes, this takes time, but freedom always takes effort. Hustle number 4. Affiliate marketing, 1000 to 20,000 month. Promote products and commission. Amazon, Clickbank, AIM, Shopee. Recommended what you genuinely believe in, reviews, tutorials, product lists. No audience, start a small TikTok page, start a Pinterest board, write short post on Facebook. Do not chase money, chase trust, because trust means money. Hustle number 5. Print on demand, 1000 to 8000 month. Design t-shirts, mugs, caps, no inventory, no risks. Upload design on Etsy, redevelop, sparring. When someone buys, you get paid. Learn trending designs and humor course niches like fitness, pets, motivation, moms, gamers. Small effort, big opportunity. Let me tell you the truth. Most people don't fail because they try and lose. They fail because they never start. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be consistent. Start small. Learn, improve, scale your income. Every dollar you earn online proves one thing: you are capable of more. So which hustle will you start today? Comment below and remember, your dream life is built by daily actions, not wishes. Stay hungry, stay focused and let's build your financial freedom. Soldiers, remember one more thing: the world is yours.